How to add a clickable link in Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find an icon. Click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now click on the option of Reel. Once you have set it to Reel, now select the Reel that you want to upload along with the clickable link. From here, you can trim the video. Once you are done, click on Next. Now from this page, you are able to edit the video. Click on the sticker icon. Different options will appear. You can add location, caption, quiz, GIF, photo or avatar. But right now you won't find the option to add a link because at the moment this feature is not available for the Instagram Reels. But if in the future Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Right now you can add a text, likewise add the music, filters, and once we're done, click on next. Now here you can add a caption. In the caption box, you can paste the link, but this won't be clickable. Click on OK. Now you can tag people, add location, set audience. If you want to share this reel to the Facebook, enable it. And once we're done, click on share. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.